For centuries, man has been fascinated by the wheel. It's not only been loved for its function, it's been admired for its beauty, becoming an important part of popular culture. Honda alloy wheels are a thing of beauty. But every Honda includes an array of sophisticated, integrated operating and safety systems. From the innovative ACE body structure, to ABS brakes with electronic brake distribution, tire pressure monitoring systems, and more. And the real beauty is how the Honda wheels perform as part of these sophisticated systems. They play a critical role in the ride, handling, braking, and safety. And the rest of the systems can't do their jobs if the wheels don't do theirs. Honda parts are specifically designed and tested for each vehicle, and the wheels are no exception. Honda uses a series of tests, the same tests used by other leading manufacturers. And as you might expect, Honda's performance standards are often higher, sometimes as much as 3 times higher than the SAE standards. Many owners have asked about imitation wheels. Some look virtually identical to the original Honda wheels. So, we ordered some imitation wheels and tested them. Honda wheels are tested for fatigue to make sure that the wheel and the alloy remain healthy. If not, it can weaken, crack, even deflate the tire. Certainly not what you want out on the road. The radial fatigue tests measure how they maintain structural integrity over use. And similar lateral fatigue tests determine how they'll stand up to the lateral stress of cornering. Tested at an independent facility, these Accord wheels and the imitations all performed under the straightforward radial fatigue tests. The cornering fatigue test was another story. One of the imitation wheels cracked at less than 100,000 cycles, meeting the SAE minimum standards, but well below Honda standards. Lateral impact tests measure impact to the side of the wheel, like hitting a curb or obstacle in the road. And the Honda wheel does its job. But the imitation wheels, again, that's another story. Both the imitation wheels that we tested cracked, failing the SAE minimum standards. Honda adds yet another test. We call it the pothole test, designed to measure how the wheel responds to vertical force you would experience from a pothole. Any alloy can be damaged with impact. But though this Honda Accord wheel sustains some damage, it has the resilience to maintain inflation and critical performance. These imitation alternative wheels, well, not so much. They didn't just sustain more damage, they literally shattered, unmounting and entirely deflating the tire. Sure, there may be other wheels out there that get the job done, but the imitation wheels that we tested are just what you might find out in the real world. Just something to think about if you're replacing the wheels on your Honda. Honda Genuine Collision Parts. Use your melon.